Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and I'm going to do another you versus them, and let's see how you guys are doing and what action we can expect now in your love life. Oops. And these are general collective readings. Aries will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so newbies, the way I'm doing this reading is I'm taking out two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies, your action cards, dialogue cards, etc. Okay, all right, okay, and one more. Okay, and one action card for you and one action card for you. And bottom of my deck, I have the Ace of Swords. Some kind of clarity, Aries, moving forward with utmost clarity in your mind, it seems. But let me just take a look at the cards. So for person A, now this could be you, Aries, or the other side could be you. I don't know if this is your story. You will know which side you resonate best with. And yes, of course, so the people who are going to leave bad comments to say after seeing the entire reading that, oh, I don't want my ex back and I hate them and blah blah blah, whatever. I've just put up a singles reading yesterday. Please switch off and go there instead. This reading is for somebody who's wanting to know what's happening on the other side. Okay, simple, straight and simple. Singles who want a fresh new person or don't have an ex to kind of look into, please go there. With utmost respect, I say that. All right, so for person A, Aries, they're feeling rather stuck right now. They feel luck is not on their side. Maybe because of a decision that's been made. Either decision made by both of you mutually or by them, or maybe they feel that the other person has made a decision, and because of that, their flow of life, their flow of energy, that's all kind of stopped. This person A, is feeling very stuck, dealing with almost bad luck right now. And where person B is concerned, yes, they have released something. They've totally given up, they've released, and they feel that this entire situation between the two of you has backtracked and has backfired totally. It was meant to go a certain way. That's what person B felt. But whatever now has happened, they felt obliged to just give it up. I don't want this anymore because it's just not going the way it was meant to. Okay. So before I start clarifying the rest of the cards, Aries, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. Aries and their person. If they could say something to each other, Spirit, what would that be? Aries and their person. And I'm going to take a few more from here, Aries. Aries and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, sometimes because I know we will be together, I take you for granted. Maybe that was person A. I think they always kept their emotions hidden. They sometimes, they had a lot of love in their heart from what I feel, but sometimes they came across as obnoxious. And that's the reason person B, I think, turned away from them. Okay. Maybe person A was taking person B for granted. I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? I told you somebody's life stopped after this decision was made. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. We did have something special. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. Isn't that just what I said, Aries? Somebody's experiencing a lot of bad luck right now. They're saying, sorry for what I did to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. The past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. But they've always taught to treat their partner in a certain way. Maybe that's how they saw their parents or people in their family, and they tried to play the same trick, but in this case I think it backfired totally. I wonder if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. Okay, Aries, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aries, please, my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Sleep. Somebody really needs a lot of healing right now, Aries. Nothing is really moving, it seems. I think both of you have taken a step back and kind of recovering from whatever's happened here. And it's imperative, or maybe some of you are having sleep troubles as well. It's very important to take care of your health right now. If any of you are experiencing bad sleep or not being able to sleep at night, you could be also, one person could be reflecting their energy on the other. I do see somebody here on person A's side who's quite anxious, and that could reflect on the other side as well. So take care of your sleep, because that's imperative to clear thinking, and that's what you're looking for right now, isn't it? Clarity of mind. Okay, so let's start, Aries, with the energies of person A. Forget about person B right now. I'm going to just stick to person A now. This could be you, this could be your cross watcher. So for person A, Spirit, why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Lovers in reverse here? Oh. Yes. Too many cards fell out, but they immediately told me the story. Yes, somebody, I think, broke some promises here. Somebody broke some promises. Because of that, I think there was no new beginning, or maybe somebody did something very, very unwise, made some foolish mistakes by breaking the other person's heart or breaking promises, and there was a tower moment because of that. And now person A is going through karma, judgment in reverse. They don't think they can ever get a second chance again after knowing what has been done, and they know that they've done it. They've created a tower moment, and right now the person who's feeling the worst is person A themselves. They're going through bad luck, bad karma, and the dark night of the soul as well. Some choice, some decision was made which totally stopped this connection. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past? Well, let me clarify this. The Lover, Spirit, in reverse? Why is the person A feeling Lovers in reverse? Because now this beautiful love connection, which could have been maybe a destined one or a past life connection or something, this is now in jeopardy. It's upside down. This was meant to be, I think. Lovers is the highest form of love, where two people come together and the attraction is phenomenal, right? But because somebody broke promises, this is now in reverse, and it's left person A absolutely isolated, in solitude, and pondering over their own mistakes. So now tell us, Spirit, what happened in the recent past? Why is person A feeling like this? King of Cups and the Empress. Now, King of Cups is a person who has a lot of love in their heart, but they sometimes they should have been the emperor to the empress, right? That is the destined parameter, was for them to become to be showing up as the emperor to the empress. But I think what this person did, they put a death to this relationship by behaving like the King of Cups. Like I was trying to explain to you, the King of Cups is a person, yes, they do have a lot of love in their heart, but they are also kind of like, look at this card. This King of Cups has a cup of love in one hand, they have a bow and arrow in the other one. So it's almost like being bipolar, right? Sometimes I'll show you love, sometimes I'm going to, strike a spear in your back and hurt you. I'll never show you exactly how I feel. I'm going to play mind games with you. I'm going to keep you emotionally stuck and manipulated. So this person, I think, started behaving like the King of Cups, whereas they were meant to be the emperor. And because of this kind of behavior, this connection came to an end. One more, Spirit, for the King of Cups. One more for the King of Cups. Yes, they never made a decision. They never made a decision. They couldn't make a decision. This is again being bipolar, right? Being pulled in two different directions, keeping your blindfold on. I don't see this connection. I don't recognize this connection. I'm not sure whether I want this connection. I do feel a little love in my heart, but my conscious mind says, no, I don't want it. So this kind of behavior of always never making a decision, never making a choice, finally, I think, ended this connection big time. Empress, what did the Empress do, Spirit? What did the Empress do? Empress. The Empress found this King of Cups a bit immature, this kind of behavior. I think what this Empress was looking forward to was this happy union of saying, hey, I finally found, the person I was meant to be with. And now that we're together, we can transform, our lives and have this foundation of love and happiness. But they found their person to be rather immature. They soon realized that this is not an emperor's behavior. This is very immature behavior. And that really didn't make this Empress feel very happy. So I think this Empress turned her back. Look at the way she's turning away. This Empress turned her back to say, I'm not interested. I don't want to have any more growth or abundance. Now, this is not gender biased, okay? Empress is the person who believes in progression, abundance, fertility, growth. They look forward to bettering lives and not playing petty games. So whoever was playing the petty game is the person who's now experiencing stuck energy. But this Empress here, the person who was the innocent one, I would say, in this time dynamic, they've turned their back and they are healing themselves. They are chasing after their own abundance, their own growth, and yes, doing a fantastic job of it as well. I think they're almost getting rewarded by the universe because they didn't succumb to any lower energy. Okay, so this Empress, the minute they turn their back, they are not only being guided by the universe but also shining, making all their wishes come true, and maybe gaining the stability which they hoped for with their person on their own now. So how does person A feel about this connection now, Spirit, or this person B? Person A now realizes their mistake. They've been in solitude, they've been in hermit mode for some time now. They've realized that their life is totally stuck, nothing is moving. They are realizing what they've done, and they also know now that this person B is no longer reaching out to them. They feel that the person has totally taken back their love now. There is no more love being offered to them. Zero. This cup is, they know they've kind of drained this person B out so much that there is not an drop of love coming from them anymore towards them, and nor is any conversation, no phone calls, no texting, nothing is happening, and they feel my person is no longer interested in showing me any more love. And they know why. They know why they are in hermit mode right now and they're thinking about all that they've done. This person was the emperor. They just behaved like the king of cups. And they lost a beautiful connection here. So page of Wands, Spirit, why does person A view this connection and person B as the page of Wands? They're becoming more and more clear as the days are going by. They know who their choice is now. They know that, they are out of this confusion. This clarity has come upon them. Absolutely. They know that they're not confused anymore. They know who their right choice is, and they don't want to be away from person B. They don't want to be single and in solitude anymore. They want this fight to end. This is the amount of clarity that this person A, has in their mind now. They know that they don't want to fight anymore, but somewhere deep in their heart they also know or feel energetically person B has withdrawn their love and is no longer fighting for this connection either. So now there is Queen of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Why does person A feel? Yes, because they feel this defiance coming from this queen now. They feel this person is not only not showing me any love, but has put up strong boundaries now. And even if you guys are not talking, they can feel it. They can no longer feel person B's energy coming towards person A. So that's how they're feeling, that, all boundaries are up now and no love is being offered anymore. So what action person A will take, we'll open later, Aries. Let's go on to the other side. Why is person B, Spirit, feeling in the Four of Cups in reverse energy and the Five of Swords in reverse? Person B is telling me, Aries, this could be you, this could be a person, I don't know. Person B says that, yes, I know this was a soulmate connection. I always knew it, that we were meant to be. This was my counterpart. But now I'm feeling maybe this person came into my life just to teach me a lesson. Because soulmates do that, right? Soulmates come into your life for a reason, season, or a lifetime. So as much as person B hoped that person A was that soulmate who would last forever, right now they feel, I don't think so. I don't think a reconciliation is in order right now, because from my heart and mind, I've already started the process of releasing this person. This entire connection has kind of backfired now. I don't feel the same way anymore. Yes, the person B says, I expected them to be my emperor to my empress. Instead, what did I get? Somebody who was a player, somebody who was, somebody who was really not up to my level. One more, Spirit, for the Five of Swords in reverse. Person B feels person A only brought drama into their life by ghosting them or not communicating properly with them. Now person B is not interested in communicating to person A. I think tables are turning. Person B has been waiting maybe for a long time for some message or an apology or something to come from person A's side, but till now there's been no communication, and that's making person B feel this person is very immature. This person is very, very immature. I think I'm going to step back. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Five of Cups in reverse, upright. Person B has a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things went down. Maybe there were third parties which were brought into this connection. Yes, there were third parties here brought into this connection, I think. And person B now looks back to feel, what a waste of time, energy, effort. Everything just went down. All the milk spilled to the ground. Right? So I think what person B has done, they have gone into silent mode. They've become spiritual. They've decided not to extend any more energy to this past person. They've decided, I'm not going to spend any more time losing sleep. Yes. See, this is what my angels were saying. A lot of time was wasted, a lot of nights were wasted on crying and wishing and wanting and thinking about this past person. And Spirit says it's time for you to, rest up, because this is what this person put you through. A lot of sleepless nights. So I think person B has that spiritual knowledge now, that it's time for them now to release. It's now time to move on to do things what make them happy. 9 of Cups is better than 3 cups on the ground, right? Spilt. So I think person B is pulling back their energy and going into a place where they can be happy for themselves, by themselves, without worrying about this person at all. So, oops, sorry, I've opened it by mistake. Okay, so the High Priestess Spirit, High Priestess, High Priestess. Yes, person B has pulled back their energy, and they're saying that, hey, if you're not going to be, if you're not going to come with some solid offer or a commitment, I don't even want it anymore. I've pulled back my energy already. This is the reason I've pulled back, because you never showed up as somebody solid in my life. This is too immature an energy for me to deal with. So, how does person B now feel about this connection? I think person B is quite stuck upon the fact that there were third parties here. Yes, they felt very disrespected. They felt that they've always felt ungrounded in this connection. They were never given the position here to feel safe and secure, maybe because there were third parties in this connection, and that makes person B feel very unhappy, emotionally unwell. 9 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups in reverse. Yes, they feel my person is too slow, too stagnant, never makes a move. It's better that I end this connection now, because person A has zero emotions for me, which we know is a lie here, Aries. Person B had a lot of emotions, they just hid it to a point that they are hurting, person B is hurting, and this connection is lost now. Yes, person B is now given up. They feel my person A made it very clear to me that they were not interested in long term or having stability or having anything which is going to be solid for the two of us. And if they've made it so clear to me, then I might as well give it up as well. I'm not interested. So let's see what action person A may or may not take. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. They're still not putting in any work, it seems. 8 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. 8 of Pentacles in reverse is action. Yes, the only reason they're not putting in work right now, Aries, is because they're holding back. They're holding back because they're waiting for the fight to end, but it's not going to magically disappear if nobody makes an effort, right? Right now they feel the feminine energy could be very upset, could be very angry, or let's say person B could be very upset and angry. So they're still not being able to put in any work because they feel a little bit pride is there, I think, as well. Yes, because they know that they have said few things which can't be taken back. Maybe there are certain words that have been expressed which were not the nicest. And they know that the silence by person B is because of that, and they don't know now how to rectify that. And their pride of accepting their wrongdoings is not allowing them to come forward or put in any work. They are hoping that, with time maybe things will ease out on their own. Right now they have a little bit of fear of facing person B. Person B, are you going to be taking any? No. See, Page of Pentacles in reverse. This person B has totally ended it already. They're not moving at all. This is total stagnation. So it's sleep time, I guess, for this week. Page of Pentacle Spirit as action from person B. Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. This is the amount of, my God, both of you are really stubborn, aren't you? Person B is not moving an inch anymore. Not an inch. Not a quarter of an inch. And person A is, of course, has their pride, and they also know that, the words that have been said are difficult to take back now. So they are hoping that with time, somebody's anger will automatically come down, and maybe at a later stage they can, I don't know. Spirit, that's it? That's it? Then why was this reading here? Oh no. Okay, one more. I don't know what this means, Spirit, but I do see a big ten of cups here. This is meant to be, Aries. This connection is meant to be, except that one person is right now sitting depressed and in sadness. The other person is probably sitting in their ego and pride, or both of you are, I don't know. Spirit is saying, you guys have to talk. There has to be some clarity which has to come to this equation. Some decision has to be made. You cannot stand here forever. You cannot be on crossroads forever, waiting forever, because this is what was always meant to be. I don't know what to say to this reading now, but it's here and it's yours, Aries. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.